my channel Open Your Soul Feed to Roshni. Now in this video I want to talk on a very important topic that needs to be discussed as much as possible, and that is suicide. Suicide is not an option, a word with a very deep meaning. Now it means ending your own life. It feels so dangerous even while talking on this. I don't know what that person must have gone through who decided to end his own life. You can't even imagine what that person must have felt and what pressure must he have felt that lead him to those steps. So now there are many causes behind such attempts. The top health risk factor responsible is depression. Other than there are many other factors, there is no single reason. There may be a history of being abused or bullying or harassment, or in case of students because of peer pressure for scoring low or because of low results, and also because of poor job security or social loss. When someone loses their favorite person, that also might lead to such attempt. So there are many reasons or causes responsible for such attempts, but what I want to mainly talk about is how you can help that person, how you can help a person having suicidal thoughts or suicidal feelings. Now, for that, you need to identify his behavior. The person gives some warning signs when he have such suicidal thoughts and suicidal feelings. So, the warning signs may be, the first warning sign you may notice is he will start withdrawing himself from family, friends, community. He will stop talking with anyone. His eating patterns will be disturbed, like he will either eat too much or eat too little. He may suffer from even insomnia, and everything will be related to death. His writings, his words, whatever he speaks, whatever he thinks, everything will be including only and only death. Now, he may also get attracted or inclined towards alcohol or drug use. So, of course, what a person feels on inside, you cannot see that. But of course, through this warning signs, you can observe his behavior, because you will see that that person will start showing aggressive and impulsive behavior. He will always seem irritated and annoyed. So, that is a major warning sign. So, of course, by all these warning signs, you can observe that person's behavior and you can help him out. Now, helping is the best way to save someone's life. Now, how you can save it? You observe all those warning signs, but how you can help him? Because इतने सारे warning signs देख के हम ही खुद इतने डर जाते हैं कि हमें हिम्मत ही नहीं रहती उनसे इस टॉपिक पे बात करने के लिए, और यहाँ हम सबसे बड़ी गलती करते हैं. We commit a big mistake here. So in my every video I have laid importance on communication. It is a very important key in any of your problem, in any situation. So talk to that person, show your concern to that person. Directly ask him the question, are you thinking about suicide? Don't be afraid of asking this question. Directly ask this question so that the person realizes that you are knowing, and he will start speaking to you. Let him speak everything out. Listen to him carefully and show your support towards his feelings. Acknowledge his feelings. That is the best way you can help him. Of course, main one thing you need to remember is while you are talking to that person, while you are having a conversation, be very calm. You need to stay calm and talk in a reassuring tone or a reassuring manner, because how you speak to that person also matters. So please be very calm and talk in a reassuring tone that will help him to speak everything out. Acknowledge that his feelings are legitimate and help him, provide encouragement to him. Now, it is said that prevention is better than cure. So, of course, prevention is better in case of suicide also. So, how you can prevent it? Again, communication, best step, best way to help a person. Talk to a person who you love, or person that loves you, or trustworthy, or you feel respect for that person. Talk to that person. Never try on handling your suicidal thoughts or feelings entirely on your own. Never do that, because that's gonna ultimately lead you to suicide. So never try handling those things on your own. Always share it. Always talk to a person. That will increase, that will help you in overcoming your feelings, and it will help you in preventing suicide. So it's a major help to yourself. Another thing, in case of students, it's a humble request to parents, please don't pressurize your children in scoring high and always giving more importance to marks. Please don't pressurize. And for students, it's okay to score less marks for any particular exam, to get fail in any particular exam. It's okay. That was not your day. It's okay. Students get so disappointed or pressurized by the parents that they think that this is the last option they have, and they ultimately take the step of suicide. So please, there are many further attempts available for you. Try it out, or even an alternative career is available for you, is waiting for you. So give it a try. Don't end your life. It feels so scary while talking on this topic. I don't know how what a person feels when he thinks of doing such steps. Another thing you can do is get rid of all the lethal means. Now, when you're having such suicidal thoughts or feelings, get rid of all the firearms and guns or knives. Biological death will not give an it will give an end to your pain, your problems, but it's not gonna provide you any relief or any joy, because you won't be having your body, mind, and heart to experience that relief. So, whatever struggles are there, whatever struggles you are enduring, please don't think suicide as an option. Work hard on removing such thoughts from your mind. Stay positive, stay strong. Congratulate yourself for experiencing pain till now, working hard on it, and you have made this far. Congratulate yourself for this, and make promise to yourself that you will seek to discover other ways to solve your problems other than ending your problems by just one step, that is suicide, and that's a big step. So promise yourself to find other ways for solving your problems other than suicide. Then keep track on your friends, like discuss regularly with them on how you feel and how you can handle stress. Discuss with them in a common general way that might help them. And even helping others is helping yourself, like it will definitely revert back to you when you are in need. So good that you are right now. I hope you are not having such suicidal thoughts or feelings, but you can help a person who is having such thoughts and feelings. And one day, if such suicidal thoughts or feelings you face, you suffer from, I hope you don't, but if you suffer, this help is going to revert back to you. So it's ultimately you are helping yourself. So finally, I want to say let's all come together and spread awareness, save life, because saving someone's life is the best gift you can give to a person. So let's spread awareness, because according to me, talking about suicide, promoting awareness about suicide is not going to promote suicide, but it's going to reduce the risk of suicide. So let's talk more and more about suicide. Let's spread awareness and remember that suicides are preventable. Suicide is not the last option, it's not even an option. Living is the solution. So that's it. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.